What's up, gang? It's your boys MSB with your boy Tizzy E, Lil Boo Boo, KT Drizzle. Back with our first vlog. Yeah, baby. Back with our first vlog. Here we go, gang.
Heading down to dinner.
We better wash my hair. Yes.
Look at this loser. Bro's telling us to do script.
Why are you filming on that side?
Look at this. Yes, it's nonsense. Walking in the rain. Where'd she go? Look at that loser who washed her hair and she can't walk and have fun. Frank, wait. I'm wearing a white shirt. I have a pink bra on. Is this mildly inappropriate?
No, it's gay.
It's only if people see it as inappropriate.
People should be looking in the first place.
Hey guys, so we're just heading down to a coffee right now. We're sophomores currently.
Look how much rain, bro.
Look at the rain. Oh, it's March 6th. No, it's March 6th.
It's March 6th, 5:30 p.m.
TG Drizzle.
This way. This way. That way.
Why?
You want your bottle to show to everybody? Okay.
I'm gonna eat shit. We're all separated.
Oh gosh, I almost slipped. I almost slipped. I couldn't stop getting. We got one more.
Let's go. Let's go. Action. Action, guys. My boxers are see-through. My shirt's see-through.
Oh yeah.
Action. Action.
She's wearing boxers. She's not even allowed to have that. I'm wearing sky pants and yeah. You can call it fashion. Blame on the rain.
I almost slipped and my phone dropped.
Yeah. God, no, we should actually get a camera then.
Oh God, we have to.
Okay, use that for a movie.
Okay, we'll get back to you when we're done on the coffee.
We ate already. It was fried fish. What do you rate it?
Solid, actually, 8 out of 10.
I agree, like 8.5.
It's pretty gang.
Do you have any like seasoning on it?
I
just put sriracha and mayo for my
yeah,
food.
sriracha and mayo is bust. Always.
And I put salt on my bread because the butter is not salted.
Akahi hacks, guys. Akahi hacks. You guys come to KS? You know the drill. If you
know who to go to.
If you guys come to KS, be happy, bro. It's so gang here.
Yeah. Don't take it for granted.
Don't take it for granted because once it's gone, you'll never get it back. Bro, you're never gonna get another Founders Day, another song contest.
This day's never gonna come again.
Speaking of
Tomorrow,
song
this will
contest.
be yesterday.
Yup. Speaking of song contest, it's coming up soon.
It's next week Friday.
Next week Friday. And it's and
Wednesday
then spring
right
break.
now.
Then spring break's right after that.
Then basically school's basically over.
And then that's the last of us. Then we're juniors. Then we're upperclassmen.
Then we're out.
Then we're out. We're out the hill. This is the life. The life has 3 borders. We're low key. Oh, they're from Big Island.
Lanai.
Actually, that's so opposite. Oh, just kidding. I'm saying Ni Hao. They're like there. Hold up. Sports we recommend. Judo. Bowling.
Paddling.
Tennis.
Kayaking.
Paddling. Paddling.
Basketball.
tennis,
Kayaking,
judo, paddling. You'll probably meet the love of your life there. Clubs we recommend.
Women's empowerment.
Oh, pen pal.
We go to like every meeting.
Yeah, we're good people.
Yep. Women's empowerment. We need a catchphrase.
Okay, we're gonna walk up now.
Another journey.
Another journey.
You guys get to see our jobs.
We have another journey on the way back up again.
Let's get it, gang.
The burger hole.
Oh yeah. Oh, there's a lot of stairs, just so you know. Look at Lou Kia just. Hey Jordan, wanna say hi to our vlog? Just say. Okay. Look at her just pondering, sitting alone. We're almost finished walking up Akahi stairs.
It's really wet. Oh, for real?
For real? Hona. Hona. This is us.
Thumbnail. You want a thumbnail? We gotta keep that in the show.
Rainy day up on the
Day up the
hill.
hill? What?
Here, you film now. Rainy day up the hill, boys. Loki, what if we slide?
Okay, you run. Like sliding.
It's literally the whole hill. Holy shit, bro. As we venture Hell no. Why don't you throw yourself off? On what? On what water?
On what? On what?
On what?
On what?
On what?
On God? On God?
Never put things all back.
Peek the feet. Frick, I missed.
Tired. Tired of being treated like a slave. Oh. Wait, Lou, where's your phone? We should film right now. What? TikTok.
This boy for real. Okay, we're into TikToks. BRB game.
We'll show you guys the end result. Hey guys, meeting right now.
It's not. Can you have one? Yeah. You can have multiple actually. Let's go.
This meeting has felt like it's gone on forever. It's only been 13 minutes. Hey guys, I just got done with meeting. It is now 8:10. The meeting started at 7:30 and it is now 8:10.
We have public cleaning, which is a Okay, guys, thanks for watching our first vlog. See you next time. MSB, we